Welcome to Education Health. Today's topic is digestive system. The digestive system is a complex network responsible for breaking down food into nutrients the body can use for energy, growth, and repair. It consists of the gastrointestinal, or GI, tract, and supporting organs like the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. Key components. The GI tract includes the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. Supporting organs like the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder assist digestion by producing enzymes and bile. Why digestion is important. Nutrient absorption breaks down food into carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and vitamins for body functions. Energy production converts nutrients into smaller molecules for cellular energy. How digestion works. Digestion starts in the mouth with chewing and ends in the small intestine. Along the way, food mixes with digestive juices, breaking down large molecules into absorbable nutrients. Waste exits the body via the large intestine. Step-by-step digestive process. The mouth chews food and mixes it with saliva, which contains enzymes to start digesting starches. Next, the esophagus moves food to the stomach through a process called peristalsis. In the stomach, proteins are broken down using stomach acid and enzymes. The small intestine completes digestion with help from pancreatic enzymes and bile. Nutrients are then absorbed into the bloodstream. Finally, the large intestine absorbs water and minerals, turning waste into stool. Role of digestive juices. Saliva moistens food and begins starch digestion. Stomach acid breaks down proteins. Pancreatic juice processes carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. And bile dissolves fats for digestion. How food moves through the GI tract. Peristalsis, which is muscle contractions, moves food through the GI tract like waves. Sphincters, which are muscles, act as gates, controlling food passage between different parts of the tract. Control of digestion. Digestion is regulated by hormones and nerves. Hormones stimulate digestive juice production and manage appetite. Nerves control muscle contractions in the GI tract and release digestive chemicals. Key points to remember. Digestion converts food into usable nutrients. Enzymes and digestive juices play critical roles in breaking down food. Most nutrient absorption occurs in the small intestine. Waste exits through the large intestine as stool. Engaging activities for students. Diagram labeling. Label the parts of the digestive system. Nutrient matching game. Match foods with the nutrients they provide. Digestive process simulation. Act out the journey of food through the digestive system. Additional resources. Visit Medline Plus for more information. Check out the National Digestive Diseases Information Clearinghouse for detailed guides and activities.